For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a gift shop business can be a rewarding and creative venture, especially if you leverage free AI tools to simplify the process and enhance your chances of success. Whether you plan to sell unique handcrafted items, curated gifts, or personalized products, AI can help you with planning, marketing, inventory management, and customer engagement. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the essentials of starting a gift shop business using free AI resources, with practical prompts you can use along the way. Step 1. Research and conceptualize your gift shop idea. Before diving into your business, you need a clear concept. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to conduct market research and refine your niche. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to analyze current gift trends or suggest profitable niches based on location or seasonality. A good prompt to start with is, ChatGPT, please help me identify trending gift shop niches in 2025, including popular product categories and customer preferences. This step will help you understand your target customers, what products to offer, and how to differentiate your shop from competitors. Step 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is essential to outline your goals, financial forecasts, marketing strategy, and operational plan. Use ChatGPT to draft this plan quickly and professionally. You can feed it details about your location, budget, product range, and vision. For example, ChatGPT, help me create a detailed business plan for a small gift shop targeting millennials and families in a suburban area. Include sections on market analysis, marketing strategies, startup costs, and revenue projections. This will give you a structured document that can be used for seeking funding or keeping your strategy on track. Step 3. Choose your business model and setup. Decide whether your gift shop will be a physical storefront, an online store, or a hybrid. AI tools can help you evaluate pros and cons or generate a checklist of requirements. You might use a prompt like, ChatGPT, compare the benefits and challenges of opening a physical gift shop versus an online gift shop, considering startup costs, customer reach, and operational complexity. Based on the output, finalize your business model and begin legal setup. Register your business name, get necessary licenses, and open business accounts. Step 4. Plan your inventory and suppliers. Sourcing the right products at good prices is key. You can use AI-powered research tools such as ChatGPT or even free product sourcing databases online. Ask ChatGPT for help identifying suppliers or product ideas. Try ChatGPT. Suggest reliable wholesale suppliers for unique gift items like handmade crafts, personalized gifts, and eco-friendly products suitable for a small gift shop. With this information, you can create an inventory list and plan your initial stock. Step 5. Design your brand identity. Your gift shop's brand identity includes your name, logo, color scheme, and overall style. Use AI graphic design tools like Canva, free tier available, that offer templates and AI-assisted design suggestions. For generating creative ideas or taglines, ChatGPT is a great partner. You can prompt ChatGPT, generate 10 creative and memorable gift shop names and tagline ideas targeting young adults who love eco-friendly products. Then, use Canva to create a logo and visual assets that match your brand personality. Step 6. Build your online presence. Whether or not you have a physical store, an online presence is crucial. Use free website builders such as Wix, WordPress.com, or Shopify's free trial, all of which include user-friendly templates. You can ask ChatGPT for website content ideas or SEO-friendly product descriptions with a prompt like, ChatGPT, write engaging website homepage content and product descriptions for a gift shop specializing in handmade, eco-friendly gifts. This will ensure your website is professional and optimized for search engines to attract visitors. Step 7. Plan your marketing strategy. Marketing will drive customers to your store. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan covering social media, email campaigns, promotions, and local events. For example, ChatGPT create a 3-month marketing plan for a new gift shop focusing on Instagram, Facebook, and local community outreach. You can also use AI-powered social media tools like Buffer, Free Tier, or Later to schedule posts and analyze engagement. Step 8. Set up customer engagement and support. Good customer service encourages repeat business. Use free AI chatbots like Tidio or chatbot.com, free plans available, to handle basic customer inquiries online. You can set up FAQs, order tracking, and personalized recommendations. To script chatbot responses, ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT draft friendly and helpful chatbot responses for common customer questions in a gift shop, such as product availability, shipping policies, and gift wrapping options. This will ensure your customers receive quick and helpful support 24/7. Step 9. Manage your finances. Track your expenses, sales, and profits using free AI-powered accounting tools like Wave. You can also get budgeting advice or cash flow projections from ChatGPT with a prompt like, ChatGPT, help me create a monthly budget and cash flow forecast for a startup gift shop with $10,000 initial capital. Maintaining good financial discipline is key to your shop's long-term success. Step 10. Launch and gather feedback. Once your shop is ready, launch with a promotional event or special offers. Use AI tools to create email newsletters or social media announcements quickly. For instance, ChatGPT, write an engaging email newsletter announcing the grand opening of my gift shop, including a special discount offer. After launch, gather customer feedback through surveys or reviews, which you can automate using free tools like Google Forms or Typeform. Analyze the feedback with ChatGPT by asking, ChatGPT, summarize common themes from these customer reviews and suggest improvements for my gift shop. Conclusion. Starting a gift shop business today is more accessible and efficient than ever, thanks to free AI tools that support every phase from research to launch and growth. By leveraging AI for market insights, planning, marketing, and customer engagement, you can reduce costs, save time, and focus on delivering delightful products to your customers. As you move forward, continue to adapt and refine your strategy with AI's assistance, keeping your business dynamic and competitive. If you want, I can help you draft any of the business documents or marketing content you need. Just ask. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.